Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Pick with more than 4 players. So let's start. So first you have to install Pick Unlimited mod. You have to download and install Pepinx X version, which is available on GitHub. Then launch Pick 160 to allow Pimpex. Install require a folder, structure, and then you download the Pick Unlimited mode. Players use the Thunderstorm to download Pick Unlimited mode from the Glamour Pick Unlimited page. Install the Unlimited mode, and to do so, players have to place the DL Pick Beam plugins. Then players can adjust settings, and the default max players with the visit to 20. Launch Picks. Once installation process is done, the host should start a lobby and ask other players to join as usual. Players need to note that when playing with large groups, the host should have good hardware or else game stability might players. The max limited, which is 20, can be increased further than adding more than marshmallows. So that's the way to do it, guys. That's how you can play Pick with more than 4 players. I hope one of these helps you. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more help, please write on the comments, and thank you for watching this video.